I don't.
They were pretty basic. It seemed pretty simple. Yeah, they seemed just super simple. Kind of side by side about what happened. What I would have to do is just kind of summarize like the process, the steps of what we did and stuff like that. But it's not that difficult.
I was reading his I don't know, changed it in the online on his announcements, but in the email he said it was due Thursday, but it's not due until Saturday.
Yeah, I was confused about that because I saw that too.
Yeah, I went back and checked because it kind of panicked me, and it was just he made a mistake because everywhere in like 6 different places it says Saturday.
Got it. Okay, that's good to know.
So, and then yeah, and it even reiterates about being super brief in your what you put on the slide. So, like it's supposed to be for a PowerPoint.
Okay.
Sorry, I look like crap today. It's just that's what kind of day it's been.
I don't even know
this is not the going out in public.
I don't even have my video up right now, so it's all right.
Oh, see, you were smart.
I just always minimize it and put it to the back. Helps things work a little bit faster.
That's funny.
No, we don't notice. It's okay.
So anyway, I think we got to keep it super simple, like just a few sentences, nothing that you can't read in, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds kind of thing. I mean, it can't be paragraphs and everything. Just
I just like bullet points.
So.
For sure.
Tell me what you want me to do. Tell me if you want me to do a slide or how you want to do all that. If you want to pick the theme and then, send it out or whatever and have us each do something. Like I said, I made a couple of graphs that you can use that are just colorful, but I don't know.
Yeah, today and tomorrow I'm going to start working on it so I get a better idea. And then once I might ask you guys about the specific steps you guys did, like maybe to get a graph or two. I don't know. If I need, I'll get more of a better idea once I start working on it today. What it's going to take. I don't think it should be too bad though. I might ask you guys questions like, I'll send you a slide and see if it summarizes that best, like your step best or something. That's kind of what I'm thinking, Dan. But
yeah,
I'll have to let you guys know probably by Thursday because I'm gonna start working today and tomorrow on it.
I did that, but I sent you that. So.
Whoa, looks beautiful. Colors.
So,
that looks very good.
So you can copy and paste or cut and take things out or whatever you want. I tried to put it on OneDrive, but it didn't like it on OneDrive, so I just sent it in an email.
Okay.
Thinking OneDrive.
OneDrive doesn't like anything.
Seriously.
I know. I thought it's on Microsoft, so I thought it would open this up, and it said it couldn't open it up because of links or something. I don't know. I don't even care. I probably did something I shouldn't have done. Last week when I decided, I don't know, I got a wild hair and I backed up my phone and I backed up my laptop and then I spent 47 hours trying to put a new OS on my Mac, and like my Excel doesn't work right now. It won't let me copy and paste. It won't let me do things. And I'm like, gosh dang it. I waited till it had been out for like 7 months so that, because I figure if you're going to update your operating system, the best time is right after you back everything up. And yeah, so I went against my better judgment of never updating. So,
Yeah, that's
well.
funny.
I hate when
Anyway.
that happens.
You know, it's like, really?
Well,
So
thanks,
I
guys, for
didn't,
being
going back to the
joining.
rest of this stuff, I did everything on the prep stuff. The only thing that mine did not look like, and maybe I did it wrong, is when I tried to do the QQ plot of the error variable or whatever that was, so you can see if it's a normal distribution. And theirs looks really straight, and mine did not look really straight. I mean, it was like curvy at the beginning and straight, and I tried to redo the axis for the horizontal and the vertical and put them match them at the same numbers, the -2 to the 2. I still couldn't get it to look like that. So I don't know.
Did you use the old Excel thing?
Yeah.
Or that's what you used?
Yeah. I got like mine.
Yeah.
I don't. And are you supposed to use the residual or the explanatory? Because I tried them both and neither looked like the other. So I thought you're supposed to use the residual.
Yeah, I thought
You know?
that was what it was too.
I think
Residual.
it's residual.
Yeah.
Did yours look exactly like it?
Mine. So I tried to just do it manually on Excel, and that didn't work. So I did not try to go back to the program, which I should do.
I just put a QQ. I just moved the QQ plot sheet over onto a separate workbook just to make it keep it together. But
No, didn't work. Yeah, I think I need to try what you were like going back, because I was like, well, maybe I can make a normal QQ plot like using what Excel already has, and still couldn't figure it out.
because mine, I don't know, because mine look like, let me see, mine is like, look at mine, it doesn't look, mine is not like all straight when you use those response variables and you sort it from ascending. But I don't know. But as long as you're supposed to
It
use,
still looks kind of straight.
yeah, I thought maybe it was because it uses different variables. And so I changed all the variables to match not the variables. I changed all the axis numbers to match the answer key. And all it did was they were still squished up at the top instead of, they didn't spread out. So I just wanted to make, I guess it doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to make sure I was using the right, because I used the response variables and then I put them in order. I sorted them.
It doesn't look like yours is in order, Ingrid.
It does.
It goes -12 to -34 to -29. That's -34.
You're right.
Be
You're right. I wonder why it did that. So I put sort in ascending.
I just did mine and
Yeah, it doesn't change it. Why does it? I'm glad you noticed that. I don't know why. I wonder why it's not doing that. Huh. Well, that's stupid. Because that's solely based on stupid Excel. See, and I redid it, copied it again, put it in there, and it screwed it up again. Gosh darn it. You know,
What?
I'm online.
What are you talking
I'm doing my class.
about? Oh, you are?
No, I just lie because I like to do that. Yes, I'm on my
I
class.
don't know what to understand out of what you're saying.
These are my, I don't want any of that. Go away. Go away. I don't want it.
It's bacon jerky.
Oh my gosh, my son. Go away, you guys. We're taking a test.
It's sweet cherry.
Get out of here.
All right. Wait, it's spicy cherry. on
These are my sons in here that are your guys' age because they suck.
Hey.
They're just, they can't see you. Oh, there you go. Say hello.
Hey.
This is my other one. So now go away.
Here.
See, no, I don't want your bacon jerky. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard of. It's already dried out and fried. I don't want it. You need to leave. I'm not joking. See, they're worse than your little kids. Your little kids are perfect. Mine are just obnoxious. Yours are innocent and cute. Mine are just jerks. I guess that was harsh, but anyway, all right. I'm gonna have to look into this. I'm glad you noticed that, and I'll see why it's not doing it in order. But thanks for pointing that out.
Yeah.
So sorry about that. My boys are really bad. They just hate me. Okay.
All right, well, let's get started.
All right.
Number 3. Linear regression equation. For being B1, B1, parentheses. Isn't it B1 equals 0 and B1 is not equal to?
Yep. Is that there?
Huh?
Yeah. B1 is equal to 0 and B1 is not equal to 0. So, yeah. So mine's the third one.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
A residual is the difference between the observed value and the value predicted by the regression line.
That's what I put. It's
Okay.
my notes.
Plot of residuals supports using linear regression when I guess they look normally distributed.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Unlike mine. It's like I think we already did these. Do you remember what lesson that was?
The math efficiency one.
Yeah, was that the last one or the one before?
Then everyone.
I'm trying to, I think it was last week. Let me see. It's faster to just redo it, huh?
Yeah.
I think it's just the first one. From -42.
It's the one that, okay, is it the 4.34? Because I just found it. Yeah. So confidence first and the score second.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it says
What?
use
Or does it switch it?
use the confidence variable as the X value and the score variable as the Y. So yeah, you
Okay.
switch.
Is that what I said? Yeah, I can't remember. Yeah. Right. So it was on the quiz last week. I just saved all the Excel, so I just didn't want to redo it. Okay, so then is, let me get back to the quick. So compute the residuals for data using what statement best describes the residuals? Did you already do the data, or do we need that?
To the what? Sorry.
So, okay, when you, I'm looking to see, where do we find that?
Good
Yeah.
question.
I've been a little confused just doing the prepare and everything. Is
So,
So I have the residuals
um,
negative 38 to 23. And what does it say in there? From negative 40 to 25.
are we supposed to do the, did you do a scatter plot just now?
I'll do one right now.
so
But I
I'm
just-
trying to make.
Okay, so scatter plot is everything, right? All the explanatory and the residuals,
Yeah. Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
Good grief, there's so many of them. And then,
Yeah, scatter plot is definitely not linear, so.
yeah, it's like way all over the place.
Yeah, so I think it's the first one, or between negative 40 and 25.
Yeah.
So is there a negative,
What's your
so
rationale?
is there a negative 40 on here?
It goes from negative 38
Oh,
to
I see.
23, but it says about negative 40 to 25.
Oh yeah, yeah, I see that.
And you know the residuals aren't all negative, so
Right, so it has to be that one.
Yeah, I see that. After making the scatter plot, it makes sense.
I just made it
Based on
QQ plot.
pretty linear.
Here we go.
Please
Okay,
say
so the
that, please.
the QQ plot is only the residuals, right?
correct.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. This might, you know what? My stupid, it had to have just screwed it up when I'm going to have to update my Excel. That's what I think the problem is. Because I just did the whole drop thing that was working last time and it selected 10,000 spots.
A few spots.
Okay, so where's that stupid QQ plot? There it is.
Hiding.
It hates me.
Gotta load it. Let's see.
Values only. Try that. And then sort them. Might have actually done it right this time. Although mine are all in a big old ball at the bottom. It didn't spread them out. So I don't even know. It put them all in the bottom. Sort column A from lowest to highest, which is ascending. Yeah, I don't know. It put
Mine
them
looks
all
straight.
between 0 and 0.2. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It always worked
Maybe.
before. I did all the QQ plots for the M&Ms.
Are you taking the file from something you downloaded, or are you taking it from
No.
the schools? Like, is it your quantitative
QQ?
descriptives? Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's just the standard one. The descriptives from the template.
Because sometimes mine gets kind of quirky if I've saved the Excel and then I'm using the one that I saved versus just downloading it again, like a new one from the school.
I mean, I'm using the same one I started using this morning, but let me see. It's just what it's doing. It's like it's putting it all in.
Yeah.
You know, I'll put it in another one, see what it does. In a brand new one. I don't know.
Mine came out pretty straight. They're like pretty normal.
I just like maybe it's just a glitch in my app. Let me see what it looked like now. Nope, it did it again. No, wait a minute, where's it at? No, it did better that time. So there's them, and they're like on top of each other, but at least they look like a straight line. So I'm going with that. Sorry, I don't know why it's happened. It's really frustrating to me because you know I don't need this like a week before school's out.
Yeah, for sure. I'm sure that's frustrating.
So residuals normal. Now that you guys have finished the quiz.
So for 7, did you just put?
I'm gonna cry. It won't let me save anything. I literally start bawling right now. You're gonna know why. Okay, it finally saved. Gosh darn it. I really am sad. Okay, so I'm on number 8. Sorry. Where it is. Scatter plot. Give the scatter plot residuals and the QQ plot. And which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression?
So the residuals are normal, right? Because we did the QQ.
Yeah, that. Check all that apply.
So there's a linear relationship between X and Y, right?
Correct.
Is it
Yeah.
hot dog shape?
Yeah.
Variance of the error term is constant for all values of X. I didn't know that one.
I don't even understand what it says. To be honest.
Says,
I don't know what does that mean again? Where's the book here?
says how to check residual.
I think I'm just saying that they're all off by the same amount. Like the variance of error is constant, and so if it's all constant, then they're all going to be off by kind of similar stuff.
Okay.
So you mean that, what did it say over here? The variance of the error terms is constant. There's no megaphone shape in the residual scatter plot. Okay, so that's what tells you if X is the variance of error is constant. And so the scatter plot was really wide and whatever. Or did it, oh, where's my scatter plot? Oh, wrong one.
Disappeared.
Mine disappeared too, actually. Oh, there it is.
I know, I had to come back to it. Yeah. Okay, so there's my scatter plot. So yeah, there's no megaphone look to it. Okay, so then that's right. The X values were measured without error. So do we just assume that they made, is that you're just saying they were measured correctly? We have
Yeah.
so we have exact values, so don't we have to assume that? Because they're scores, right?
Just
No, oh, wait a minute. Well, no, the X values, I guess, are the, they're, they think they're right or wrong, or if they think they know it or don't know it. Or no, which one? I'm looking at the wrong one.
Let's see, going down for now.
well, I think does that apply to all the scatter plot, residual plot, QQ plot, 5 assumptions?
I don't think I'll go until you get this.
I don't know. I'm not
I
sure
don't
if it applies to. I mean, the observations are independent, but observations are independent. See, I don't mean.
I mean, they have, I guess aren't they without error because other people made their decision on how confident they were, right? Wouldn't that be without error? That's,
What assume is going.
Yeah, I would assume so.
because it's whatever they said. We can't check it. It's their own opinion, right?
Yeah.
And then,
You sure?
observations are independent. Knowing the value of one of the Y's tells you nothing about any of the other points. That's true. Just because someone got 100% doesn't mean anything about anybody else's score, right?
Yeah. So is it all of them
Got
except for?
So they're all given. I mean, they're all checked, right?
I think so.
Yeah, cool.
It just says X's should be measured accurately and precisely, and they're known. So people did they gave their opinion, they wrote it down, we logged it. That would be
yeah.
accurately and precisely, correct? We had a specific value. We didn't guess what they thought.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So is the slope what's just on here?
And the slope, what is B1 estimate? The estimate for the slope, round to 3 decimals. Yeah.
12.695.
Yeah, that's what I have. 12.695.
Yep.
95% confidence interval of B1.
12.695.
12.695.
Okay.
Is that what you got?
Yeah. I thought I heard 7. So I was just double checking.
Confidence interval for what is that? Beta 1 for the lower and upper. So that is
10.674.
Yeah.
where?
It would be
Okay, wait a minute.
14.715.
Where am I looking for this one?
The same line that you found the slope, so all the way to the right. You'll see a confidence.
Okay, so that's the confidence interval for the population slope. Okay. So 10.674, is that what you got?
Mm-hmm.
Number 12, we would reject it because the p-value is less than a.
Yeah, that's really low, huh? 14.
Hypothesis test 51 slope.
Wait, what'd you guys get for 10?
10.674.
Okay.
Did you say 10 or did you say 7?
10.
And then 14,715?
Yeah. And then number 12 was, let me see, reject. Yeah.
Because the p-value is less than A.
Yes.
And if you reject the null, what does it mean? It means sufficient evidence to conclude that those is not 0.
Which one did you say?
I put the last one, the sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0. Because if it's 0, it's flat. If it's not 0, it's at a diagonal, so there's a slope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's a false number. Okay.
I just did which variable, okay, what's this? So the dependent variable, right?
Which one? The head length?
Yeah, if head length is used to predict body length, then body length is dependent upon head length, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. I think it's X, right?
Head length would be X and body length would be Y. Now construct a 95% confidence interval. Okay. So
Wait, so number 14, you guys put head length?
okay, so on your margin of error, have you got that far yet?
I'm doing it right now. So I got 0.443.
I got 0.442.
My whole answer was 0.4425. So
Oh, so I just used the ones, let me see. I just did the confidence interval that's listed from doing the thing.
yeah.
So I have 8.103 minus 7.218
Yeah.
divided by 2.
Yep.
Huh, I got 0.44243. Did you use a calculator?
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah, I got
I used Excel, so it probably doesn't round. When you click on those, in those cells, it's probably the full number. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, because it doesn't round in the cells.
I'll do it I'll do it in Excel real fast.
So I just put 0.442 because I used the cells.
So which value are we using then? Did we s-
I'll use Ingrid's, but I'm trying it real fast. See what I get. Yeah, I got what Ingrid got when I did it on Excel.
Okay. Thing is starting to freeze up on me. Hope it finishes out.
We're almost done.
Okay, based on your lower bound and upper bound from the last two problems, what can you say? You're 95.
I must have missed something in there.
We are 95% confident that the confidence interval will contain the true value of
B1.
B1 or beta 1.
Yeah, that's what I had.
So I had two.
Yeah.
Did you say something, Thor, about something else?
I just didn't catch where did you guys talk about 16 and 17 already?
Yeah. The lower bound I got
Mine-
7.2.
Mine's been really choppy, so I think I missed a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, what did you get for the lower bound, Thor?
Oh. I'm not sure because it won't pull back up right now.
So we use the same numbers that we use to determine the margin of error. Did you do the margin of error?
It's all frozen up right now. I'll go back to it later.
Okay. I think, well, I got 7.218. And then for 16 and 17, I got 8.103. Is that what you guys got?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, me too. I submitted.
Do it.
Okay, who's submitting? Do you want me to submit?
I think Houston is.
I'm submitting right now.
Oh, you already are. Okay.
So we missed 2, it says.
Number 2.
Of course you did.
So we missed
Fred.
question 8.
We missed what?
Question 8, the one with all those
So
options.
so they weren't all true.
And then we missed question 14 as well. So it'd be body length, I guess.
Well, that's what I put. I put body length.
Why? Oh, yeah. You're right. It's Y. Not X. Okay.
So what did you put?
I put
Houston,
head length for some
you
reason.
put head length?
Yeah,
Oh, I
Me
had
too.
body. I had body length.
I thought we said head length for some reason.
Oh, well, I thought X is the independent and Y is the dependent.
Yeah, my bad.
So then number 8.
But then number 8, crap. And of course, that's one that there's no obvious.
Let's just take one. Let's just miss one, I guess. Gotta go in and get my thing caught up.
You have what?
I'm going in and taking it again.
Oh, so what did you change?
I haven't changed anything on 8 yet.
Oh. Okay, we got to read the question. Given the maybe this is the point. Given the scatter plot, residuals plot, and the QQ plot, which of the 5 about linear regression are satisfied? So that's the key in that stupid question. It's not what did we decide? It's what are the statements that go with the scatter, the residual plot, and the QQ plot? It's the question.
Oh, really?
So it's not
You know what
the
I'm
X
saying?
values or the observations.
Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
it's looking at that stupid thing. So the scatter plot goes with the linear relationship.
Mhm.
The residual plot goes with no pattern.
Yeah, with the constant variance.
Where's that?
Oh wait. Sorry.
The residual. Oh, wait a
No,
minute.
you're right. Well, it can go with the linear relationship or the constant variance.
And the QQ plot is the residuals or close to the line, so that's going to be normally distributed. So it isn't the observations are independent. It isn't the X are known constants. And the constant variance has, residual plot is also is variance.
Yeah, so I think it's the first 3.
So yeah, first 3. Okay. Okay. Let me submit, unless somebody else already did.
You can go ahead.
Okay. Number 14 is right, and number 8 is right. So 100%.
Cool.
So that's what it was. Is that it?
Right.
Good way to read the question. That's good.
Would have been better to have read the question right the first time, but wow. Okay. Is Thor still there?
I'm here
Okay, good.
mostly. My connection must be kind of bad right now or something. It's been pretty choppy, but I've been getting most of it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so
Sounds good.
you have your dependent variable is your body length, and then the questions only were applicable to the 3 plots.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Well, then
Okay, cool.
let us know what we need to do on Thursday, and then we'll help you out. Okay.
Yeah, I'll stay in touch with you guys, and for sure by Thursday I'll have enough work done where I'll have a good idea. Like,
Okay.
I need specific help.
You can try to upload it to OneDrive and see if it works, because it may do better for you because you're not a Mac. And I don't know.
I can mess around with it.
Yeah. I mean, don't try to do it in Mac, but once you get something going, if you want to upload it there. But it's not like there's 57 of us, and we're not going to change it without you, so whatever.
Yeah, I can always email it to you guys.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, sounds good. Well, I will stay in touch, and we'll see you Thursday.
Cool.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
See ya.